Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a problem from LeetCode number 1052 called Grumpy Bookstore Owner. This is a medium difficult problem and it's quite interesting. The problem is about a bookstore owner who is open for n minutes. Every minute some number of customers enter the store. We are given an integer array customer of length n, where customer I is the number of the customer that enter the store at the start of the ith minutes, and all those customers leave after the end of the minute. On some minutes, the bookstore owner is grumpy. We are given a binary array grumpy, where grumpy I is the first. If the bookstore owner is grumpy during the if minutes and it's 0 otherwise. When the bookstore owner is grumpy, the customers of that minute are not satisfied, otherwise they are satisfied. The bookstore owner knows a secret technique to keep themselves not grumpy for n minutes, consecutive minutes, but can only use it once. Our task is to return the maximum number of customers that can be satisfied. Here we have some examples with input of customer, grumpy and minutes, and output. Now let's dive into the solution. We will start calculating the initial satisfaction when the owner is grumpy for the first minutes. If the owner is not grumpy or we are still with the first minutes, we add the customer for that minute to the total. So let satisfaction with grumpy equal customer reduce total satisfaction customers this minute I. Then we will use if not grumpy I. I less minutes total satisfaction plus customers this minute and total and 0. For the next line, we will introduce maxSatisfaction to the satisfaction with grumpy. Let maxSatisfaction equal with grumpy. Now we will iterate over the rest of the minutes using for loop for let I minutes I less customers length I open. If the owner is grumpy at minute I, we add the customer for that minute to the satisfaction grumpy. Shown with grumpy customers I on grumpy I. If the owner was grumpy minutes ago, we subtract the customers from that minute from satisfaction with grumpy customers I minus minutes on grumpy I minus minutes then we will update max satisfaction if the current satisfaction is greater. Max action equal math max action with grumpy, and lastly we will return max satisfaction. Let's run our code. Oh, customer slightly typo. And it works. Let's submit. And we completed today's daily streaks. The idea here is to use a sliding window approach to calculate the maximum number of customers that can be satisfied. We first calculate the total number of satisfied customers when the owner is not grumpy. Then we calculate the maximum number of additional customers that can be satisfied when the owner uses the TypeScript technique. The final result is the sum of these two numbers. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention.